Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to publish a starting place on Roblox. Firstly, you have to open your browser and in the search panel, type Roblox, then left click on the Google search. Now go to the official Roblox website. From here, go to the create section. Then click on creations on the left side. From here you can select the starter experience or any game you have created. So I'll select my starter experience for publication. Then click view on Roblox. Now the official site for the game will load. Click on the three dot and click edit in Studio. Now the game will open in your studio. From here you will be able to publish the game. In order to publish the game, click on the File menu on the left side and click on Publish the game. After publish the game, you can go back to the game website and there will be a play button. You can click on it and it will load the Roblox game client, which will then load the game in your Roblox. After some time, the game will load and you're now free to play the game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.